The Yamaha R3 has always been a popular choice for riders looking for a balance between performance and practicality. With the latest update, the R3 now comes with Yamaha's connected technology, adding a modern touch to this sporty machine. The R3 retains its 321cc parallel twin engine, delivering a smooth and powerful ride suitable for both city streets and highways. Its lightweight chassis and aerodynamic fairing contribute to excellent handling and stability. The addition of Yamaha's Y-Connect system allows riders to sync their smartphones with the bike, providing real-time information like call alerts, message notifications, and maintenance updates. This connectivity enhances convenience, ensuring riders stay informed without taking their focus off the road. The LCD instrument cluster now integrates seamlessly with the connected features, making it easy to access crucial data while riding. The design of the R3 remains aggressive, featuring sharp bodywork, LED headlights, and a sculpted fuel tank that complements its sporty stance. Suspension duties are handled by USD front forks and a monoshock at the rear, offering a comfortable yet responsive ride. Braking performance is reliable with disc brakes on both ends, assisted by ABS for enhanced safety. Yamaha has also ensured that the new R3 continues to appeal to riders who seek a balance between performance and everyday usability. Its refined engine, improved connectivity, and modern styling make it a compelling option in the lightweight supersport segment. The bike remains an excellent choice for beginners and experienced riders alike, combining practicality with excitement. With Yamaha's connected technology, the latest R3 not only enhances riding pleasure but also brings a new level of convenience to the experience.